Yo guys, what's up? TK421 back today with another video. And today I am going to discuss the Ninjago characters. So yeah, let's get into it. So first here we have Lloyd Garmadon, aka the Green Ninja. Now Lloyd, let's just say at first he was a bad kid. He was a bully, but then he turned good because of the ninja. And then he turned out to be the strongest of them all. And then we have Kai, which I still don't know his last name really. We have Kai, Master of Fire. Lloyd here, Master of Energies. Kai, Master of Fire. Oh, why does this always do this? So Kai, Master of Fire. Let's just say he thinks he's the looks of the team. Pff, I literally just did an air quote there. He's not the looks. He's not really like him that much, in my opinion. And then we got Jay, Master of Lightning. He's my favorite ninja of them all, and I would say that he's the coolest. And then here we have Nia, Master of Water, which is actually Kai's sister, and well, at the end, at the season 11 and on, well, Jane, you kinda yin yang, husband and wife. Yeah, it's crazy. Then we got Zane, Master of Ice, the smartest one on our team. Yeah, he's a ninjoid, and yeah, I don't know how he became the Master of Ice still. And then we got Cole, Master of Earth, which I wasn't really a big fan of Cole until Master of the Mountain came out. Just started liking him, and yeah, Cole's the only Ninjago figure of the 6 ninja that I don't have, 'cause I have the others. I think the first one I got was Zane, and then I got Jay and Nia in Jay's Storm Glider set, the Legacy 2019 set. And then after that, I think I got Lloyd. And then I think, yeah, then I traded with, then I got a Kai from my friend. Kai from one of my friends, yeah, and then yeah, I still don't have Cole, and then we have Sensei Will, and then Misako, and then Pixel. And it says here, I don't know, Grand Sensei Dareth, Skylar, Ronin, Princess Vanya, Harumi, Karloff, Scales, Soto, Pythor, the Great Devourer, the Overlord. Wait, let's go back. Pythor, the Great Devourer, the Overlord, Samurai, Master Chen, Klaus, Moro, the Preeminent, Nauticon, Crux, Acronix, Lord Garmadon, Iron Baron, the Omega, And it says here, one villain will destroy them all. And he's, in my opinion, the strongest villain to ever be in Ninjago. A sphere, the Ice Emperor, Unagami, the Skull Sorcerer. And yeah, that's it. So I really, really, really hope you enjoyed this video. If I explained all the characters, it'd probably be over my 15-minute limit, so that's why I had to speed things up after I described the ninja, because ninja are the main characters, technically. So yeah, that's it for today. Hopefully, I will see you guys next time. Bye. So yeah, please leave it a like and subscribe for more videos. And yes, yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys next time. I literally forgot to say that part. Bye.